I'm up my ass to get to me.
He's pretty far up already. He stops as he's tired.
He's like, what do I do now?
Butt shot.
What? I'm going too far on you. Oh, you're going down now?
Is he going back down?
Oh no.
He's kind of just chilling there.
He doesn't know what to do. Oh, wait, what are you doing? Oh, going to the other butt cheek? What the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
He's going to the other side.
Why?
I don't know.
Should I save him?
Should I?
He looks kind of lost.
Why doesn't he keep going up? No, he's going back down, I think.
He's like, I can't do this anymore.
The butt's in the way.
Come on, he's not a true rock climber. Rock climber can pass that. He's like, I can't see the apex going down. Aw, I'm giving up. That's pretty cool though. Okay, I'll save you.